Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to activate your Chase debit card on the app. First, open the Chase app on your iPhone or Android device. If you don't already have it, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you open the app, sign in with your username and password to access your account. After logging in, look for the Cards section. Tap on it and select the option to activate your debit card. If you have more than one card, choose the correct card from the list. The app may ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your card to verify it. After you confirm, your card will be activated and ready to use. Another option is to activate your debit card at a Chase ATM. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and follow the on-screen prompts. When you complete those steps, your debit card will be fully active for ATM withdrawals, purchases, and online payments. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.